The role of multinational corporations, MNCs, in today's global economy is a topic of great significance and complexity. MNCs are companies that operate in multiple countries, often with a centralized head office in one nation while conducting business operations in several others. These corporations have a profound impact on local economies and global markets, shaping trade, investment, and employment patterns. Let's explore what MNCs are, their influence on local economies, their role in global markets, and the challenges and responsibilities they face. At their core, MNCs are entities that leverage resources, talent, and markets across borders to drive growth and profitability. They often engage in various activities, including manufacturing, marketing, research and development, and distribution. By operating in multiple countries, MNCs can take advantage of different regulatory environments, labor costs, and market opportunities. This global reach allows them to enhance their competitiveness and achieve economies of scale, ultimately benefiting their shareholders and stakeholders. One of the primary ways MNCs influence local economies is through job creation. When an MNC establishes operations in a new country, it often brings with it investment, infrastructure, and employment opportunities. This can lead to significant economic development in the host country. For instance, when a multinational company sets up a manufacturing plant, it not only creates jobs for local workers but also stimulates demand for goods and services from local suppliers. This ripple effect can contribute to overall economic growth and improve living standards for communities. However, the impact of MNCs on local economies is not always straightforward. While they can create jobs, there are concerns about the quality and sustainability of those jobs. MNCs may prioritize cost-cutting measures, leading to lower wages and less favorable working conditions compared to local standards. In some cases, they may exploit labor in developing countries, where regulations may be less stringent. This raises important questions about corporate social responsibility and the ethical obligations of MNCs to ensure fair treatment and decent working conditions for their employees. Moreover, MNCs can also have a significant influence on local markets and industries. Their entry into a new market can disrupt existing businesses, particularly smaller local firms that may struggle to compete with the resources and scale of a multinational corporation. This competitive pressure can lead to market consolidation, where local businesses either adapt or face closure. While this can drive innovation and efficiency, it can also result in job losses and economic displacement for certain sectors of the local economy. In addition to their impact on local economies, MNCs play a crucial role in shaping global markets. Their operations often span multiple countries, creating complex supply chains that connect producers and consumers across the globe. This interconnectedness allows MNCs to optimize production and distribution, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. For example, a technology company may design a product in one country, manufacture components in another, and assemble the final product in yet another location. This global supply chain model enables MNCs to respond quickly to changing market demands and consumer preferences. Furthermore, MNCs are often at the forefront of innovation and technological advancement. Their substantial investments in research and development can lead to the creation of new products, services, and processes that benefit not only the corporation but also society as a whole. For instance, pharmaceutical companies invest heavily in developing new medications and treatments, advancing healthcare and improving quality of life worldwide. However, the influence of MNCs on global markets also raises concerns about power dynamics and economic inequality. MNCs often wield significant market power, which can lead to monopolistic practices and reduced competition. This dominance can stifle innovation and limit choices for consumers. Additionally, the profits generated by MNCs may not always be reinvested in local economies. Instead, they may be repatriated to the home country, leading to concerns about wealth concentration and economic disparity. The environmental impact of MNCs is another critical aspect to consider. As these corporations expand their operations globally, they can contribute to environmental degradation, resource depletion, and climate change. MNCs may exploit natural resources in developing countries, leading to deforestation, pollution, and biodiversity loss. This raises important questions about the responsibility of corporations to adopt sustainable practices and minimize their environmental footprint. In response to these challenges, many MNCs are increasingly recognizing the importance of corporate social responsibility, CSR, and sustainability. Companies are adopting practices that prioritize ethical behavior, environmental stewardship, and community engagement. This includes initiatives such as reducing carbon emissions, investing in renewable energy, and supporting local communities through philanthropy and social programs. By embracing CSR, MNCs can enhance their reputation, build trust with stakeholders, and contribute to sustainable development. Governments also play a crucial role in regulating the activities of MNCs. By establishing clear policies and regulations, governments can create an environment that encourages responsible business practices while protecting the interests of local communities. This includes enforcing labor laws, environmental regulations, and anti-corruption measures. Collaboration between governments, MNCs, and civil society is essential to ensure that the benefits of globalization are shared equitably and that the negative impacts are mitigated. As we look to the future, the role of MNCs in the global economy will continue to evolve. The rise of digital technology, e-commerce, and remote work is reshaping how businesses operate and interact with consumers. MNCs will need to adapt to these changes while addressing the growing demand for transparency, accountability, and sustainability. The challenges of climate change, social inequality, and geopolitical tensions will require MNCs to adopt innovative solutions and collaborate with diverse stakeholders. In conclusion, multinational corporations play a significant role in shaping local economies and global markets. Their influence extends beyond job creation and economic development to encompass innovation, competition, and environmental impact. While MNCs can drive positive change, they also face challenges and responsibilities in ensuring ethical practices and sustainable operations. By embracing corporate social responsibility and collaborating with governments and communities, MNCs can contribute to a more equitable and sustainable global economy. As we navigate the complexities of globalization, the actions and decisions of MNCs will continue to have far-reaching implications for societies and economies around the world.